When something happens on your property, the hardest part isn't knowing there was a problem, it's piecing together what actually happened. Now, with traditional systems, sorting that out is going to be extremely time consuming. You have to scrub through hours of footage across dozens of cameras, and that's just for trying to manually track one person's movement through your site. Well, fortunately, this is where Journey Path eliminates that process entirely. Journey Path uses AI image recognition to automatically compile footage of an individual across all your cameras into a single continuous timeline. So whether you're responding to a security alert, investigating an HR complaint, or tracking a person of interest across campus, you get a complete rundown of their movements, stitched together and ready to review in seconds. So how does Journey Path work in Coram? Well, the flow is pretty straightforward and you can initiate it in multiple ways. For instance, from an AI search result, an alert, the timeline view, or directly from the faces and profile sections in AI Analytics. Basically, what you want to look for is the Journey Path icon, and once you click it, Coram searches across all connected cameras for that same person with a default time range of 10 minutes before and after the selected clip. From there, from that selection, you can select the clips you need and hit Create Journey, and Coram stitches them into one continuous video ready for immediate playback. And conveniently, you can also archive it or download and share it securely with your team, law enforcement, or insurance partners. Every share also includes audit logs for full accountability, so also very helpful for this process. You can try out Journey Path for yourself, and in case you want to learn more about it, you can visit our website or book a demo to see it in action. I left a few links down in the description in case you're interested. All right, thank you so much for watching and see you next time.